Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain another action called powerup magnet. For that action, I insert the magnet graphic as action, holding shift to minimize that, make it smaller. This action is for when you eat that animation, all of the other actions, especially coins, will be attracted to the character. For doing that, I insert a coin here, for example, in this direction, and up, click SS to duplicate that. You can hold in Control and then D to duplicate those in this direction and bring it more there. Okay, going to its settings and first edit the shape. That's okay. Then the action type, make it to the power up magnet, and we need a counter. I explained all of those settings in a coin action, refer to that. In action animation, we need a counter that insert, because I need a duration 4 seconds to maintain. I don't want to this magnet forever. I needed the duration or 4 seconds. We don't have any reward. Of course, it's interesting. I need a little camera flash and shake. And here you can set a start sound when we eat that. Play, for example, power saw. I'll already insert them. Or if the power up end, we alert us with the power end. And I want to this counter animation count on the character. Insert that. You can change the text here. This is in invisibility, but you can change the power up magnet. Click and drag them and drag in here. It's important the 4 will appear here because we want to count down. The position is important. I can make it the bigger. As I said before, the character is somewhere here. I want to apply it above the character, so make it the upper. I want to place our character and overlay, not replace. Overlay, because the animation of the character will replace that. And everything is correct. Control save to save our project to doing crash. And here another setting, it is appearance chance. It means the radius of attraction. If you reduce that number, we have more attraction radius here. When we eat that from the character, this radius is from the center of the radius is from the character. Okay, test that. As you can see, if we hit that, all of those in a as you see, the counter speed does not set. As I said before, I experiment that it is 0.03 is the best for counting in a regular number, the regular speed 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, test it again. As you can see, in 3 seconds we can attract all of those actions. You can, if you insert any action like this, any action will be attract to the character. Pay attention to that. All of your actions, as you can see, attract to the. Okay. And we have 4 seconds for use that, and after that it will be finished. This is magnet, power of magnet. That is easy. Just you have to pay attention to the counter animation. In the animation action, we have appearance chance. If you want to more radius to attract, increase that. And we have camera shake and camera flash if you want, and the sound when end and when start.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.